Alright guys, I want to show y'all what's in this XGT GDT01. Whew. We have PA6 glass fiber, 30%, so some good injection. They shot it fast. You could see the fibers up at the top, and this freaking thing is, what I'm telling you, rigid. Sucks, but this is really rigid. Okay, let's see what she has under her skirt. We have Nichicon 220 volt resistor. All the wires have connections, guys, and they all have a polymer going too, so they can't pull in and out. Totally resin embedded, so the board with this humongous heat sink. We have a Omron switch bellowed. See the bellows? Stop dirt and dust from getting in there. We have a 30 amp, one of those small fuses like you find in BMWs and Mercedes and cars of that nature. But every wire, even going into the clips, has polymer on them, elastomer. Every single one of them. Big beefy motor. This thing is just built to last and last and last and last. If you follow all this back, it comes, and this is the wiring for the two LEDs, which have polymer on each side. It's not just straight wires, so you can unclip them if a part fails. If this fails, you could basically unclip everything and just put another board in, so it's not garbage if something happens to the board, or vice versa. The board will always be good if something happens to this. So it's just built extremely well. If you ever wondered what was inside of a Makita XGT and wondered why it was so expensive, this is why, guys. I want to thank everybody for watching, and man, I got a lot of new subscribers. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate the support, and I mean, B, Doc, Tools with Souls, Tools and Tactics, all you guys. I mean, you've gave me little hints and tips. Well, not hints, I mean, just kept pushing me. Come on, just make videos, you know. And especially Doc, he's like, dude, I love this type of stuff. The world needs to know. So I want to thank y'all very much, and just say thank you. Alright guys, here's a close-up view. It's the bellows. See that all of this switch is like 125 bucks. Later, fellas.